Hey there, Jason with Father and Son Small Engine Services. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a fuel pump on an ONAN 5500 Gold Marquis. If you want to locate your model number and your serial number, it's located right here on the data plate underneath where the generator is mounted. Your model number, 5.5 HGJAB, is pretty standard between all 5500 models, followed by your spec, 6755K. Also with your serial number, H12, meaning that the first two digits, 12, is the year of manufacture, 2012. We've already gone ahead and removed our old existing fuel pump. Fuel line to the fuel inlet on the carburetor is down, goes underneath and mounts to the existing fuel pump. The fuel pump mounts up and underneath with two 10mm bolts. Undo those two 10mm bolts, remove it from the ground and the positive lead, remove all of the housing, and you'll have just your fuel pump. If you want to test your fuel pump to ensure that it is the one component that's failed, you'll know so that when you have this all connected and you undo your bleed screw on the carburetor and you push your start button and you can see, or even your primer, you'll see that it actually leaks out the carb bowl. That means that fuel is getting to your carburetor. In our situation, we had no fuel at the carb at all. When we removed the fuel line from the barbed fitting, from the barbed inlet, and we just let it hang into a 5-gallon bucket, we actually had, and by pushing the start button, we actually had no fuel flow whatsoever through the line. That's what made us remove the old fuel filter, or fuel pump, I'm sorry. So, this is with part number A029F887, which has actually been superseded by a new part number, A047N929. For the existing ones, if you ever want to run a test, just be sure that the fuel pump itself has actually failed. Get yourself an old tractor battery, a battery that works, that holds a consistent charge of 12 volts, and connect your leads appropriately. So in this situation, the leads are marked with a positive on your white cable, and your ground being a standard black cable. Connect your positive lead, and then your negative. You may need to hold your positive lead there as it's not a female end. In some situations, your pump will actually kick up. Well, you want to watch for intermittent running. If that's the situation, then your pump has still failed. Another way that you can tell is by bumping it like a starter. And you can actually hear it starting to kick on. But the thing is it will stop. Okay? So this pump has indeed failed. Your new pump, you can test in the same direct way, like connecting your negative, holding your positive, and you'll see that you have a consistent flow. Okay? To reattach your fuel pump, connect your new fuel filter. It's always our recommendation that you replace a fuel filter with the pump. You might as well do the $6 piece with the $100 piece. And then connect all of your fittings, and then just 10mm bolts, and connect obviously your unit as you took it off. They make them pretty, quote unquote, dummy proof, okay? So you can't connect two male ends or two female ends. Just hook them up appropriately. Run all your wiring, run your fuel back, and then we'll show you it working in the next clip. Okay, so we got it all put back together now, and everything's up and completed. Reconnected all your fuel lines. Make sure that the system was already purged. So, to stop prime, just hold that till that red light turns on, and then you're ready to go. And you got full system go. Next test will be inside. Hope you enjoyed the video. That's how to change the fuel pump and test on a Grand Marquis. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube video. Thanks for watching.